how to find music without copyright to use on your videos on YouTube. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find videos without copyright on YouTube easy and fast. All what you have to do is go to your channel and click on customize channel, go to your dashboard right here. Now if you want music without copyright, all what you have to do is go here down to audio library, and here you go. Now right here you will find all the musics without copyright. All what you have to do is just click download and the music will be downloaded. As you can see, you are free to use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. Just click download and you will get the music. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.